Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'll show you how to fix the Instagram blend feature not showing issue. First, make sure you have the latest version of Instagram installed. Open the App Store on your device. Tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. In the search bar, type Instagram. If you see an update button next to Instagram, instead of open, tap on Update. Updating the app often fixes missing features like blend. Once your app is updated, move on to the next step. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on General. Then tap on iPhone Storage. Find and select the Instagram app from the list. Now tap on Offload app and confirm it again. This will clear the app's cache and temporary data without deleting your account or saved info. Reinstall Instagram automatically right after offloading. This method usually fixes most bugs related to missing features. If this helped you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.